Okay, we want to talk about computer appreciation. A computer appreciation. Without computer appreciation, we will not understand computer application. We are talking about the foundation here. We are talking about the foundation. And I'm advising you and I'm telling you authoritatively that without computer appreciation, you will not have the needed foundation in the computer industry. So you need computer appreciation to understand computer application. So what is computer appreciation? So we say computer appreciation focuses on the concepts that enable you use the computer effectively. That is it. I love the history. If you know the history, you know the future. So, in the course of talking about computer appreciation, we will talk about some softwares, system software, so that there is a way. I've used computer for the past 20 years. I've been using computer for the past 20 years. And most times when people say my computer is faulty, is because you don't know how computer works. That is the truth. You don't know how computer works. You don't know how operating system works. You plug something in your computer and it's not responding. You should be able to, as somebody who's using computer, you should be able to understand it. So that is the reason we bring this concept, computer appreciation. We try to talk about everything computer surrounding this concept. So it's basically the fundamental aspects of the computer that exposes you exactly to what computing is all about. So computer appreciation focuses on the concept that enable you use the computer effectively. You'll see in the course of this training whether this is true. It's basically the fundamental aspect of the computer that exposes you to exactly what computing is all about. Computer appreciation will enable you understand the concept. So we are considering computer appreciation so that you will be introduced to the fundamentals of computing. Take a closer look at the components of a computer system, their uses, and possibly the faults associated with each component. As an end user that you are using computer, it's not every time you run to an engineer, because these days to fix up your system might cost you some dollars. So in the course of computer appreciation, computer application, I will expose you to because after graduation I get into computer repairs and maintenance. So I'm able to tell you authoritatively that if you follow this training, some of the troubleshooting, some of the issues your computer will be developing, you'll be able to solve it from the comfort of your room. All you need is just a screwdriver. You don't. When I was into the ICT world, what do you need to repair computer? Just screwdriver, hard disks, and softwares. That is that. If it is hardware problems, you replace the hardware. If it is software related problem, you work on the software. All you need is your hard disks, your softwares, your screwdriver. If you have soldering iron, better for you if you want to work on some components. So I will try as much as possible to show you how to troubleshoot some of the issues you will have with some computer. Um, I've been using computer for the past years, and I've I've seen that computer is so reliable. If you know how to use it, maintain it very well, it will really help you see the need for you to join this training. So we are considering computer appreciation so that you will be introduced to the fundamentals of computing. Take a closer look at the components of a computer system, their uses, and possibly the faults associated with each component. We will take a closer look at each component of the computer, the usefulness of that component, and the faults that is associated with that component. We do it in the course of this training. So, computer application. After computer appreciation, we will move to computer application. So what is computer application? So computer application, we all know this, is basically the application of computer software to solve our daily needs in different field of human endeavors. uh, we are gradually moving into the definition of some terms we use in the computer industry. So when we say computer application, it's different from saying computer appreciation. Computer appreciation is basically the theoretical concepts that enable you understand the industry, the computing world. But computer application is the use of computer softwares. Computer softwares are those written instructions by programmers. We use like your Microsoft Word. You are not the creator. You are not the one who program those software, but Microsoft Word, we are able to use it to type. If you want to submit any document now, any proposal, you need Microsoft Word to type that document. If you want to design, you are a graphic designer, you want to design, you need Corel Draw, Photoshop, or any other application that will enable you design effectively. I don't know what artists are eating now because computer has taken over everything. So if you are in the present world, please try and navigate, upgrade yourself, because 20 years ago artists had a lot of jobs. Printing press, they were, everything was analog. They do film and other things. Artists would design how is it called how is it called artists would design banners and everything. They use their hand to draw it. But in today's reality, somebody will sit down in fact, with your phone you can design anything. So when nobody patronizes it, it's on rare occasion you go to an artist shop. I want to do this. Computer has taken over many facets. It has rendered most people jobless. So computer application is the use of those written instruction to solve people's problem. Like now, I want to train people, I want to train people in computer. I need PowerPoint. All what I'm doing now, I don't call anybody to come and do it for me. I type it in Microsoft. I move it to PowerPoint. If I want to have any design, I move it to Corel Draw. I don't call anybody to come and do it for me. That is the reason if I design, I try to bring in creativity into my design because I know how to use the computer. What would have become of me if I'm waiting for somebody to come and prepare slide for me, design for me, type for me? I type my work, do check for errors in my uh, English typing and every other thing. If I'm to publish any book now, I'm the one that will type it, correct it, page make it, design the cover, move it to the printing press, and do my work with the help of computer. I don't call anybody. Most time when I call people to come and do it for me, printing is very risky. They might end up coming to disturb the whole process. So I do it myself. So computer application can be a source of your livelihood. It serves me a lot. So computer application is basically the application of computer software to solve our daily needs in different field of human endeavor. Then let's talk about computer maintenance. I have to bring all this concept because in this platform as well, we will teach you computer maintenance because we have all the media equipment in our office. We repair computer, we fix it for clients. So we will bring to you computer maintenance. We show you how to troubleshoot, how to fix up your computer when it is faulty. You don't need to call anybody. From the comfort of your house, your home, you can solve your problem anytime, even at midnight. Okay, if you are let's not go there. The importance of learning this skill abound. So computer maintenance. What is computer maintenance? So computer maintenance is different from computer repairs. Computer maintenance is different from computer repairs. So what is computer repairs? What is computer maintenance? So let's take a closer look at computer maintenance. So we say computer maintenance is basically keeping your computer in regular check to ensure that they are in good condition to prevent failure. We will talk about rules and regulation when using your computer and how to maintain the computer. So let's not digress to other things so that the training will follow chronologically. So we are saying computer maintenance is basically keeping your computer in regular check. Virus is one of the problems that affects your computer, so you can prevent your computer from being faulty by installing antivirus in your system, regular updates, and the rest. So this can be through regular cleaning, virus prevention, careful handling of the computer. Most times I use my computer, so, at a point I'll just drop it. I don't want to use that one. It doesn't spoil. It doesn't. It doesn't spoil. If it develop any fault, I just press one or two button, troubleshoot, and it gets back to shape. So I'll use computer for 3 years. At a point, I'll be tired of using that type of computer. I just dump it, buy another one, use another one. So just pick one from the office and use. So doing this will help prolong the lifespan of your computer. That is true. It will help prolong the lifespan of your computer. So in in the other way down around, what is computer repairs? What is computer repairs? There's a big difference between computer repairs and computer maintenance. So what is computer repair? So computer repairs is basically the act of troubleshooting. We'll talk about troubleshooting later. Identifying and giving solutions to computer associated problems. Computer maintenance is you prevent your computer from being faulty. But when your computer is faulty, it will need to go through troubleshooting. It will need you to identify the faults and you give solution to the problem. So computer repairs is basically the act of troubleshooting, identifying and giving solutions to computer associated problems. That is exactly what computer repairs is. We will talk about that as a course in the foundation. Some people survive in this planet because of computer repairs. I was there. I know how much I was making in a day. So some people can take up this as their vocational skill. And there is no way you will run a business center without being able to know how to repair computer. If you run a business center and you know how to repair computer, the success you get will be more than somebody who doesn't know how to repair a computer and he or she depends on an engineer. If he does 10,000 today, tomorrow engineer will come and collect 5,000. I'm not going there, sorry. Anyway, so the computer, let's look at the computer so that we gradually migrate. So the computer is invented as a multi-purpose machine, and as such, so many definitions are accorded to it. We want to define what a computer is or what is computer. So it is a multi-purpose machine. You can use it for different version of anything you want to do. So we say the computer is invented as a multi-purpose machine, and as such there are different definitions accorded computer. Prominent among the definitions are: we want to define computer. What is computer? Try as much as possible to break down the definition so that you follow us along. This information that you are getting is the same information your lecturer would tell you. It's the same information you get when you go to a business center to learn computer, and we promise you we give you up to date information in the IT